Well, here is the truth. No one wants to watch your YouTube videos unless you present with a good and clean edit. And this is where my role begin. My name's Rachid and I'm a full-time video editor. With my skills, I can make people fall in love with your videos.
And let you know how much I love cold email, why I love cold email, and why it's a great fit for your company. First off, cold email is the cheapest.
By the end of this video, OpenAI's sins will be brought to light and we will expose them for their blatant lies. So, where did it all begin? On December 11th,
A few years ago, I heard about the TikTok Shop growth strategy. Essentially, it's an online business model and a bit of a loophole where you can make money online by launching your own e-com brand via TikTok.
By adding motion graphic, text animation, transition, color correction, and also green screen. I have more than 400 satisfied clients. If you want to join them, contact me first and I'm gonna make a custom offer to match your needs.